Welcome to Elite Service Masters channel. Looking to renovate your bathroom without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Remodeling a bathroom can easily drain your wallet, but we're here to show you that a stylish, functional space is achievable, the hefty price tag. In this video, we're breaking down some cost-saving strategies that will leave your bathroom looking fresh, sleek, and updated, while keeping your budget intact. So grab your notepad, because we're about to dive into some expert tips that will help you stretch your dollar and still get that wow factor in your remodel. First up, materials. We all know that premium materials can incredible, but also an arm and a leg. Here's the trick. Instead of splurging on high-end materials for everything, get strategic. For example, use porcelain tiles that mimic the look of natural stone. You'll get that luxurious feel without the luxury price tag. And trust us, nobody's going to notice the difference. Now, when it comes to countertops, everyone loves granite or marble. But have you heard of laminate that mimics stone? Yep, that's right. Laminate has come a long way, and these days you can find options that look much like high-end stone at a fraction of the cost. Plus, it's durable and easy to maintain. Who doesn't love that combo? All right, let's talk about one of the cost factors in any bathroom remodel: labor. Here's a little secret. The more you can DIY, the more you'll save. Now, we're not saying you need to become a professional plumber overnight, but there are plenty of things you can do yourself, like painting, installing light fixtures, or even replacing hardware. And don't underestimate how much a fresh coat of paint can change a room. It's one of the cheapest ways to update your space. Speaking of hardware, if your bathroom cabinets are still in good shape, why not just give them a facelift? Swapping out old handles for some modern, trendy ones can instantly update the look of your vanity without having to replace the entire unit. Refinishing or painting the cabinets is another affordable way to make them look brand new, without the hefty price of a full replacement. Next, lighting. Good lighting can make or break a bathroom, but that doesn't mean you need to spend a fortune. Instead of rewiring and adding more fixtures, look for creative solutions like adding sconces or upgrading your existing light with more efficient modern options. LED lights, for example, are not only energy efficient, but can also make your space feel larger and brighter. Let's move on to fixtures. Sure, we all love the look of fancy designer faucets, but you can get great-looking, functional fixtures at much more reasonable prices if you shop smart. Browse online stores or head to outlet centers. You might be surprised at what you can find. And here's a pro tip. Don't get too hung up on brand names. You can find quality products from lesser-known manufacturers that look just as sleek and work just as well. And now, a word on the tub and shower area. Replacing your entire tub or shower, that's going to cost you. But if the structure is still in good shape, consider reglazing or refinishing it instead. You'll save a ton of money and your tub will look brand new. If you're itching for a change in the shower, switching out the shower head for a stylish, water-efficient model is a small investment with big impact. You'll use less water, saving you money in the long run, and it'll give your bathroom a sleek, updated look. Another way to keep costs down: keep the layout as it is. Moving plumbing fixtures like the toilet, sink, or shower means paying for rerouting pipes, which can get expensive fast. Instead, work with the layout you have. You can still achieve a completely refreshed look with new finishes, fixtures, and clever design choices. Let's talk about storage. Built-ins look amazing, but they can add a lot to the bill. Instead, look for freestanding storage solutions or floating shelves that you can install yourself. They're budget-friendly and offer plenty of space for your towels, toiletries, and decor without sacrificing style. And here's a little design hack for you: mirrors. Swapping out your plain old mirror for something with a bit more character can instantly elevate your bathroom's aesthetic. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, or even DIY framing can give you a custom look without the custom price. Finally, always keep your eye out for sales, clearance items, or even secondhand treasures. You'd be amazed at what you can find for your bathroom remodel if you're willing to get creative. Salvage yards or antique stores can be gold mines for unique, cost-effective pieces that add a personal touch to your space. So, there you have it. Some budget-friendly tips to transform your bathroom into a stunning, functional space without overspending. Remember, it's all about being strategic with your choices and focusing on areas where small changes can make a big difference. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Elite Service Masters, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more home improvement advice. We've got plenty more coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, happy renovating.